Got some Johnsonville spicy Italian sausage. Gonna put it again in my Johnsonville iron skillet. This time I use the plates, detachable plates for sausages. Okay. Take it out. Put it. So take these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, close this baby. And wait 20 minutes. Sizzling along. Look at that. Good stuff's coming. Oh yeah. Alright, all done. Unplug. Take a look-see. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, I'm hungry. Gotta do some yard work and garage work and no time for any buffets. So, cook something up here. I like it a little bit darkened. In here. Keep this warm. Alright, put it here. Got some potato chips. Nice. Done.